Schools are always on the lookout for a single device that can do the job of many. Imagine a digital display that tackles the duties of projector, chalkboard, and PC. Hi, I'm Kelly Malone for Connection. I'm with Brian Hurley, Regional Sales Manager for ViewSonic. And today's topic is the ViewSonic 55-inch ViewBoard featuring its mobile trolley cart. Hi, Brett.
Hey, Kelly, how you doing?
I'm good. Walk me through some of the advantages that a device like this can bring to the classroom.
Yeah, absolutely, Kelly. So immediately right off the bat, it's truly a collaboration tool for the classroom. The first thing we want is we want the teachers to get in and we want them to be able to really jump into their lesson quickly. So we have My ViewBoard, which is our software that comes completely free with the device, and we want you to be able to log in using email. You can log in using Google, Microsoft, or we've actually created an app with a QR code that can quickly log you in. As you'll notice, now my username is up here in the corner. We're in. You can then make changes as you see fit. We'll go with Connection Blue for the background here.
I like it.
So now we're ready to go. We can start off really quickly. Students, let's use geography as an example. Bring up a map that we actually have built into our software. So we'll bring the map up, we'll apply it to this page. Here we are. You can annotate over anything on the screen. We'll pick black. The kids, we're up here in the Northeast right now, but maybe we'll show them, what it would look like to take a flight over to Asia. You'll notice this map taking up the entire screen. That's all right, because we've got infinite canvas. We can continue to move to a fresh new page. The next thing we really want to touch on is going to be our embedded browser. So one click, we've got a browser up. We're going to be able to do, a routine Google search. And I just really want to show you how quickly you can get an image into our environment or our ecosystem. So you just quickly drag that over, and then we close this, move the logo back to the middle of the screen. I can make the logo as big or as small as I want, just like you would on any device, tablet. We can move into some other things, the features that we've gotten. So as a collaboration company, we take feedback from our teachers and from the districts that we sell into. One of the big things was a lot of districts use YouTube. What we found out is that teachers are really worried about content via advertising being inappropriate for their students. So
sure, you don't want an ad to pop up in the middle of a lesson.
Yeah, absolutely. So what we've done is we've actually built in blinders. So I searched ViewSonic before, I'll give it a go again. So right here, now we'll just drag this video onto our canvas. We can close that. The video is gonna play. At any time during the video, it's some content that you may wanna have a freeze frame for reference. You can take a picture.
What if teachers have content on another device? Is it something that they're able to transfer over to the ViewBoard?
We can do something a little fun here and just take a selfie.
Oh.
I'll show you how quickly we can get that on the board.
Okay, I love a good selfie.
All right. In our app, the same app that we logged in over here on the QR code, I can throw this to our board. So it's in that process right now. What you're gonna notice is there's a little bell up here. I'm gonna touch on the bell, and as the teacher, it tells me who's throwing it, so I know that it's a trusted source within my class, and it gives me a thumbnail of the picture, so I get a little preview, so I can make sure that it's something that I actually want to put up on the class. From there, take the picture, minimize this, and same as before with the ViewSonic logo, there's the selfie.
How simple is this to use? Do teachers and students need to have training to be able to learn how to use the ViewBoard, or will they have to have the tech guru come in for help?
No, it's actually as simple as they want to make it, right? It's a whiteboarding software, and as they get more familiar with it and take a deeper dive, we absolutely offer professional development. It's something that we're happy to do. We'll allow them to ask questions, it'll be interactive, and we'll show them maybe best practices and how to get the most out of this.
The mobile trolley cart is such an awesome feature because you can take the ViewBoard from room to room.
And it's sturdy, right? We understand the environment it's gonna be in. It's really built to last, right? I mean, you can tell that didn't leave a mark, that didn't leave a scratch, a dent. It's a quality product that's meant to be in the environment.
This is definitely a quality product. I'm glad that you did that and not me.
Yeah.
And I can definitely see this being used in schools everywhere. Brett, thank you very much. And if you would like to learn more about how ViewSonic turns a classroom into a truly collaborative learning space, visit connection.com/ViewSonic-PS.